Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making broccoli casserole in a Ninja Speedi. Alright, in my Speedi I'm going to start out by adding a 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to mix everything together in the Speedi pot because this is super non-stick. I'm going to add in half a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm eyeballing this. That's about a half a cup. If you go over here, that's no problem. Your casserole will be a little creamier. Alright, I'm going to add in 1 egg. Get my hands wiped quick. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. And I'm going to add in some of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning. If you don't have this, take a small onion and dice it real fine and put it in there, or some onion powder. I'm putting in about a teaspoon of that. I'm going to give that a quick stir. Let me break this egg up. Get everything all blended together. And if you do this in the oven, I would mix this together in a bowl beforehand. Put it in like a 350-degree oven uncovered for probably about 15 minutes. We're doing it in a Speedi today, so it's going to shorten our cook time. Alright, now that that's mixed together, I'm going to put in a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Get this up. That's about a cup. Stir that in. And I have two 12-ounce packs of frozen broccoli. This is broccoli cuts. I'm going to dump them in there. Stir them into our soup mixture. Alright, now in a bowl I have a box of chicken flavored stuffing mix that I added 4 tablespoons of melted butter to. You could also use cornbread flavored stuffing. That's what I originally wanted, but the store was out of it. I'm just going to moisten them breadcrumbs up some with the butter, and I'm going to dump it over top of the broccoli casserole. And now that my stuffing's in, I'm going to put my tray in that goes in the Speedi on the top setting. And I'm going to put a link of Polish kielbasa in here. This is already pre-cooked. We're just going to heat this through while I cook the casserole. I'm going to take my switch from air fryer and put it up on rapid cook. Alright, I'm going to turn my Speedi on. And we're already at Speedi meals. I'm going to leave it at 390 and I'm going to set my time for 10 minutes. Alright, this is done. What I had to do is I had to add a cup of water in there because it just didn't want to create steam. There wasn't enough moisture. And when I got down to my last 4 minutes, I had to pull the kielbasa out because it was getting done too fast. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. It's cheesy. Broccoli's tender, well seasoned. A little bit of crisp off of that stuffing. Let me try a piece of this kielbasa. Now if this were raw sausage, I probably could have left it in there the full time, but since it was pre-cooked, like I said, it was cooking just way too fast, browning up. Try that. That's really delicious. Guys, that casserole came together fast, cooked fast. Like I said, add a cup of water in the beginning so you get that steam. Broccoli casserole and a Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.